you're spending too much of this on employees, and I'm going to show you 5 tools that can probably replace or assist or save you some of that money you spending on employees. And all you're going to need is about 10 minutes to watch this video. Let's get it. You want to start a business online. You want to make sure that business is professional. You want to start it in just a few minutes, and you want to make sure people can find you or your product. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and I got a website that's going to make things super easy for you. Let's get it. Today's sponsor of the video, .online. Now this is going to get you right. So one of the ways to capitalize and make the most sales is to have a clear, concise domain name. Now, as a small business owner, medium-sized business owner, there's so many different choices of people who offer tech websites, apparel websites, and so on and so forth. So let me tell you why .online might be the choice for you. Online is highly versatile at home businesses from different industries, and it's applicable to anybody who wants to grow online. And it's super simple. Type in whatever it is you want, press search, and you see all the different domains are available. You can pick your duration, you can add to cart. I like My Card Shark Online. Add to cart, press proceed.
Use my dedicated coupon code THESESSION to get your .online domain for just 99 cents for the first year.
Okay, first things first. This is called Getfluence. Now, this is going to replace some of your employees or some of that staff costs because you do not have to pay for influencer marketing, because you're about to create an AI influencer right here. So this is so simple to use, and look at these people here. A wellness coach, the OnlyFans models, travel bloggers, tech reviewers. None of these people are real. They have over 500,000 creations per month. So that means you're gonna be able to create these type of girls to model your products. So if you have leggings, swimsuits, jackets, pants, whatever you want, you can create one of these influencers and they'll be able to model your products for you. And you can even join the Telegram to see how, get the latest updates or whatever. But let me show you an actual example of some people I've made. Okay, so when you go in here, you can create images that look this real. So this is an image of a girl I made for one of my clients, and this person's not real. This is for a tequila company. And look at, you can make them as real as you want, as beautiful as you want, as curvy as you want. That looks like a real Caucasian lady. And even when it comes down to you wanting to model some sweaters, some clothing with the pretty girls you see on Instagram, you can make them too, as you see. So imagine something as simple as this, making a beautiful girl here that wants to model a shirt. She can model it for you, and I'm gonna show you how with the next tool. But if you wanna create an influencer, it's simple. You simply collect from the presets they have here. If you wanna make a wellness coach, a tech reviewer, whatever you want. Let's do a fitness model, female. You choose the ethnicity. Let's do Hispanic. How about that? We go to our hair color. We're gonna do brunette. Hairstyle, we'll do wavy. Outfit, let's do workout outfit, or let's do leggings, better yet. Pose, how about we do, she's gonna be lifting weights. No, squatting, gotta do that. In the background, we want the gym. Now, the cool thing about this is that you can choose what type of format you want, my dog. So you can get an Instagram post, a landscape for YouTube, or you can get a reel. So what we're gonna do is, you might wanna make an ad, right? So you can do an ad, which is a story style, which is portrait, and press generate. And literally a couple seconds later, this is our image. So you see fully clothed, she looks pretty, looks realistic, right? So you'll be able to take an image just like this, and I'm going to show you how to turn this into a video. So now you have your character, any character you want. We're going to take it to the next tool. I now present you Kling AI. I believe this is the best tool, if not one of the best top 3 tools that's out right now. This can animate any image you have, bro. As you see in this background right here, these are what it seems like movies, bro. And all of this is probably created off of an image or for text image generation. So you see how good quality it is. Look how HD it is. It's an all-in-one creative studio. I'm telling y'all, this is next level. So you'll be able to create things just like this with a couple words or just with some images you've created. Now, Kling AI is going to replace your employees or cut down some of that cost because it's going to generate Hollywood quality videos. Yeah, that crispy, with no need to hire any editors, no animators, no physical shoots. So if you have a product or service like we're going to be doing right here, you do not need at all to hire any type of social media influencers, because I'm going to show us how we can make our own. So this is perfect for product ads. Let me just show you. And when you get here to Kling AI, you see these are some of the graphics and images that people have created. They animated these things. So they're giving you some sort of inspiration. You see that popular new putting people in the packaging, that toy action figure animation. You see it's doing it right here. And you'll be able to literally just press recreate. It'll give you the whole prompt so you can recreate it yourself. And so here, what I did, these are some of the graphics that I've made. I've went ahead and animated. And you see here, these are some of the graphics that I've made. I've animated so many different pictures, card cases. This is what I've done for some of my clients. So I'm showing y'all in real time how dope this is and how much it works. So I took a picture of Klay Thompson, and look at Klay Thompson. Watch this. This is just a picture of Klay Thompson and literally a picture of the Card Shark case, and it turned into this. Here's another version of Klay Thompson. Look at the fire it added in the background, and tell me this doesn't look just like him. So you got a picture, right? This is one of my clients. She has a picture. She sells life insurance. We animated the picture. She gives us an image. Now the picture is animated and we can add whatever text we want on top. Any tips about life insurance, about real estate, whatever we want. And all of this was made with Kling AI. So I have a company called Card Shark Cases, right? I simply went here and let me tell you what I did. So what I did here was I uploaded a picture of the Card Shark case. This is just a Pokemon Card Shark case that we talk about all the time. Y'all know we always talk about it. And then I took that case, and this is a person that was generated with Getfluence. And then I said, have the girl smiling, modeling this trading card case with the Pokemon card inside. And let's see what it gave me. Look at this, bro. Tell me this is not remarkable. Let's see another one. So every single one of these is not going to be perfect, but look how crispy this is. Do you know, I'm telling you as a person that runs a marketing agency, getting girls to model your products or getting influencers to model your products and doing it properly or with care, or it takes a lot, bro. It's a lot of opinions, a lot of words, but you've seen we generated it easy. Here's another influencer named Brother Ben X, animated his picture. You get the point. So this is going to replace any editor, any animation you got. This can typically cost thousands, but we're going to do it for the low. Third is a tool called Gamma.app. Now this tool is incredible because what this one is going to do is going to make your courses, your presentations, your documents for you. Imagine if you wanted to make a website, web page, and this can make it for you. No more of the days where you have to go pay someone thousands of dollars to make a website, to make a course for you, to make a poster or presentation. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So you go to Create New, and once you go to Create New, you can literally paste something that you have, you know, a note, a URL, a file, or you can generate with just words a new course right here. So I had it make me a course on how to monetize social media, and look, in real time, it is making me a course, bro. And here's the thing I like about it too. So let's say we get to this image and we don't want this image. You can get the image animated, you can change it, you can upscale it, and you can even change the image right here with AI. Literally, this tool is amazing. So once this course is done for you until you're liking it, added all custom images so nothing's plagiarized. Once you're done, you can literally share this by downloading this as a PDF, a PowerPoint, an image, whatever you want, so your course is done. So this is taking the place of anybody you would have making a course for you. And this is my favorite, I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite thing about Gamma AI. Or no, this is my favorite thing about Gamma.app. So you literally go down here, you pick your style, and it's gonna make an image for you. Let's go to photography. We want a square. You press generate, no cap in my rap. Right now, I want y'all to see in real time how long this takes to generate an image. We pressed it, and in literal seconds, what's happening? It's generating images. In real time, you want to change the image, boom, right here, it's going to make you 4 different ones. Look at this, all in real time, bro. This is one of the fastest image generators I've ever seen, and everything is crispy. You can tell it if you like it or not. If it's a bad suggestion, it will report back to the database. When I tell you this is a secret hack, it's going to save you time, cut your employee costs immediately. Number 4, we got my baby ChatGPT. This tool right here, ChatGPT, is unbelievable. You see, I'm making whole pictures of Caitlin Clark right here with ChatGPT with just words and prompts. Gary Payton, that doesn't really look like Gary Payton, but you get the point. So I'm just going to keep scrolling and let you see. I literally tossed in an image right here. So this is going to replace your assistant, your graphic designer. It can write emails for you. It can replace your virtual assistant, your copywriter, your strategist. Anything you have, it can replace that and make this. Images that would take a graphic designer $100, $1,000, however much it costs and however in depth you were trying to get. All I did was sit here, generate some prompts, and add my pictures, and look what's in front of you. Anthony Edwards was made in just one phrase. I said, make me one with Anthony Edwards inside the card, and literally the next generation was this. But you can't make this up. This is Anthony Edwards in real time, Kevin Garnett, so on and so forth. And this is going to replace your employees to a degree, because look at this. You can make real-time images. I told it I want a picture of the Hyatt and a picture of the client's bottle. Boom. And look what it made me. A real-time graphic promoting my client's brand. Here's the same client, but it added people to the picture. And look, it even has this new feature where it can increase and add words. What I'm telling you is it can add words to the picture, my dog. So any picture that you're making, any graphic you're making, any product that you're promoting, it's adding actual images. It's adding actual wording to that now. They could never do that before, but now they're updated to ChatGPT 4.0. And last but certainly not least is Spark Mail, bro. Spark Email, I've been using this for years and years, but they've added some AI integrations, and you can download this on your computer, your PC, your Mac, and your phone. I use this instead of Gmail because what this does, it adds all of your email addresses under one place. So rather than you just checking one email at a time, one email address at a time, one for your business, one for your personal, it has everything under one umbrella. And let me show you my favorite feature of it. So I'm gonna have a lot of information blurred, but this is a happy sponsor that worked with me in the past. Shout out to Doba. They're very happy. They wanna do some more videos, right? So when you get emails, this is how it's going to save your virtual assistant costs, your assistant costs, your copywriting costs, because right here you can say, this sounds good, I'm interested, I'm not interested, thanks, and it's going to write an auto reply for you. Let's do it in real time. So I say interested, and look at this. Hey, thank you for your thoughtful response. We truly appreciate your enthusiasm for the collaboration. I'm happy you're enjoying our partnership. As far as the inquiry, we have one video left to complete, blah, blah, blah. It writes a response for you. Now, let's say you want to rephrase this. You copy, you can say expand, you can shorten, you can rephrase, or you can proofread. So let's rephrase. And let's say, so I said, you're going to write this and respond as you are the session and say, you would love to work. Let's lock this in. As soon as I press enter, as you see, it's generating in real time. And it says, let's definitely dive deeper into this, our next meeting. I'm looking forward to hearing more of your fantastic ideas, figuring out how we can make this happen. Let's get this locked in now. So this is going to save you time on your emails. And as you see, you can highlight whatever, you can bold, you can add hyperlinks, you can add bullet points, whatever you want. This right here is a great assistant. When I tell you, rather than you spending them couple dollars on VAs all the time, you can go right here and it even has more high-powered features, but I'm not going to dive too deep into that. I just want you to know that you can answer your emails in a breeze. So there you have it. There are your 5 tools. I pray this video wasn't too long for you. I went in depth, told you everything you need, how you can start replacing these employees. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want to see next. We're revving up here on YouTube, almost at 300K. I love you. Make sure you bring a friend this way. More and more tips each and every day. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig?